Pau how be dying. Now be unse. I need fuchiniye. E bidi de biye.
Mamuna Hot Digital Online UK. Mene lawyer Nanamua. Once again, Ibeshimu Ewo a year Fidiemu Hot Digital Online UK Ena Utie lawyer Nanamua Waha Minso Me Waha Mineno Eba Bedin Komo Afa a year immigration issues, especially from Wise Smart Solicitors. Danny Denino, Yane Wise Smart Solicitors and a Dinshibum, a Mimino de Bia between 12 and 1. And in there, many lawyer Nanamua. Ewo fidim ha yebedi enkomo na enkomo no emu hwiam papa nanu yedi enkomo yi ena ne yetwa so yebehwe how to retain your right of residence under the settlement scheme nti yebehwe kwan ba so aso bentumi nya akwanya na se emrabe ma kwan wotumi enya asetena ewo krum ha eno ena me lawyer Nanamo a ebedi hu enkomo yi ewie nti mema lawyer Nanamo akwaba na ya twa yedumedie no so lawyer Nanamo Makwaba now what you say okay bia eboko okay I'm say what is o kasa den
nyame de yenkwa ache yidi se won so ho ye
bo bibia boko all right then wo ma ye na yenko yedim
yo yedi kan no media sede ni kabia ma tia se fonyankopon se oguso aboye ho ban abetum samri ntia de mamu nyina so yeah didi kan be den chia fi nyakopon ho ebre ye nyina adofo no a wotie yen nyina nyame asunwen kamo ena nchia nso efi wise masafo me kire management nyina a ye pehin ye lawyer wisdom o se me ba memfa osoro nchia mamu nyina na ba on se na wachi nyame eyamadom odi afi ba ko kamefion that was on the second.
When the more belated
thank you. Nyame ahwɛ yɛn so paa ma ɔde afe kɛseɛ paa abɛka memfi ho.
Okay.
The Nyamiase, so Guso or Yad for your term.
Okay. You not then or not young bonny tutor.
You're talking about updates.
Update,
right? Yeah. So updates no ye di camp bob so abia ni date. And on the 4th year and health and care financial threshold and other income threshold no came to effect. Yearing ka ho asem na mo ba ku bi nso a nsaka kakra nso aba efa health and care no ho no. I think say it's a little bit good. Who say health and care for no one migration requirement you know. Ma utimi adwuma you are restricted to who sponsor no alone.
Okay.
And eba say omo wa akonya so say wutumi ye supplementary hours for 20 supplementary work for 20 hours.
Okay.
No limited to the same employer na say the same health and care wo apply for no ono na limited to. They say you know from on the 4th and 2 days ago and as 3 days ago is a restriction if you say ubitimi aye supplementary work in hours no it will be it doesn't matter the type of job wa opesa wo ye mbacho otimase
okay.
It doesn't matter the type of job wa ye intin say no say wo ye yemfa say wo employer na ma 40 hours as a contractual hours wo ye a week first no so ubetimi aye supplementary 20 hours work. But as I say, yeah, the same health and care no.
Okay.
Okay. See, you use a restriction if you so between I supplementary 20 hours no. No, it doesn't matter the kind of job. In different say me health and care na me baba here. Na makunya e bia cleaning.
Okay.
And now say kitchen work be
Porter juma.
That's it. Bet me I no for 20 hours no.
Okay.
Until say yes we bet me aye. We emma me I reshemu and the gidi bi say dachi omesa jojo because they still need them. They still need them. But politics ni nyoma nti akoye e na ye mu bi no so ye se na nsu no yes no nti na ma what the ebufuo na say yes they say akwai say ebufuo na what ye nyuma all the same no ebufuo no what ye nyina they still have good intention about the health and care route
go here
they still need that and yes ankasa we so
be abuse your power
say na make us nsu no na ye di 9 year we fa na
ye bi die we
kura se ya metra ekura bi ase ye fa no ko wuram ho na me bɔ me bra no mo
okay
na nsuo bi wɔ hɔ na sɛ nsuo no ɔno na yɛ no ɔno na ebi no bɛkɔ na dabo edware wo mu wobɛkɔ na efe na oguan ni na mu wobɛkɔ nipa ba ɛsa horo nneɛma ohwe nsu na asagu sɛ nsu na ɛsa be ɛsa ɛde be fie ɛbɛ no
okay
and what do you think say at the end of it be your effect
ebe muddy waters
ya na ye say ni bisa na me nyina sa na de na akunya na wode ma health and care ebinum ɛde ye business
okay
ɛma akwetia ni kofo bebree yen de hye no na de nyina akwetia on bebree ɛne na ebufu hyew na home office ɛde nsakra ni na aba but star na ɔmo wɔ adwempa ɛfa sa health and care route no na me gidi say after this election they will come back and make things as it was in almost had the increment bi so aba increment na sad doors bio but e mere nti me pese me take all those increment list no yes we only deal with the increment no but there's one particular one per se ye twi adwen eba ho say from on 11th of April you were April mu a
that's right
and if next week ekoyinya from 11th of April no the financial threshold for FM route no they say almost increase financial threshold that is 18,600
family life
okay they say no more increase from 11th no it take effect from 11th
okay
into increase it to 29,000 and the adofo no so enhye no so there has been some changes via on be take effect from 24th July 2024
okay
on also FR appendix FM parents and partners
okay
for 1 year limited leave to remain currently no application fee near 1,048
okay
so they are going to increase this by 20% to 1,258 pounds
okay
and the ancient so say application be say no application fee every immigration fee together with the nationality fee increasing
okay
lisa what they about visiting application fee and even to acquire British passport increasing and to the zone application but more than say over na fe no wasisi usika eyi ansana wetu hwana mo because they say no application fee na koye sika sempa
okay all right lawyer nanamwa na utini kewie yuso se uwo bibia betumi afre na yato nka 0790844338 yebedin komo afa ekwan obetumi afa so nya osetena how to retain your rights of residence under the settlement scheme. In the lawyer nanamwa wa ha ebia sakrai bebi abanso no upese ubisa lawyer nanamwa bibi nso a obetumi afre yen ewo 0790844338 obi aba o se bi edwuma wo ye no pese switch na eno nkofo tai frɛ na mhwe wo de frɛ nana because bibi edu no hia lawyer so bebem wankasa de wontumi enye nipa no bebre na nipa no bebre abegum I am say account won I do won buy no they don't have the requisites in connection with the commission now asset no so it is very difficult to see say one the nipa bi aba bebre na struggling to stay in the system because one need a requisite to work. They have to do something. What do you think will be the way forward? Say on to me because we could be as start bisa be on the healthcare free be aba now buy I say over commission healthcare commission yeah on my set nti omo ni bia na just nipa ni dem sa na no no e hihye be na wo
yes so we are going to talk about two things individual
okay
as a healthcare applicant
okay
and commissioner as a regulator
yeah
yes quality care quality
control commission
yes first no their health and care we know is not under regulatory body they say no because of changes now eba and you know what the one kwasha say obi employer be person o issue license na otimi employ from abroad in Sakraya Abane say you have to be regulated by care quality control care quality commission you have to be regulated by that and sana ya home office need me am license
okay
nemo say e passe wo as an individual na issue license na ama wo dia dida na wa ba dia you who individual now you don't need to be an your friend quality care quality control provider and sponsor no
you order ban
on order ban near say ans na be ma sa to me crata na has a license na be recruit no as say we should be ase a ono be regulate you. In this case, so be kire wo near say wo ye compliance na de no benya tumi wo so anse na ya ma sa ahwe no. It will be bia wedding kan ba dia. Ondo you okay.
Oh, you okay.
Now, because of this and from on the 5th up to on the 8th, they are putting a hold on that code now on generate because of changes.
Don't put to hold on
it. Put to hold on it. Send a new increments in terms of the income earning. Need now better take effect because see code no almost a son. Okay. But woman will move in there, they will still maintain their code. But new ones no and I want to send a bear sponsor no issue license it will fall and they will be able to distinguish between who has the previous occupational code. Don't forget the occupational code no so yasisa no abaye immigration salary list. So all these things na as a fast system na create confusion. And to who individual now want it there, we don't have problem with care quality commission. But the provider
the regulate and the provider no the other one sponsor no.
Yes, sponsor no na SSA or be under the regulator.
Okay.
And you know, sana again ete. And again, so what had that certain changes now. Why it doesn't affect you.
Okay.
It doesn't affect you. There has been some transitional arrangements.
Okay.
Emma woma omo had that no. And you know, it shouldn't be much of an issue.
Okay.
Say who issue be our home so don't hesitate to contact any of the lawyers and they will explain it to you further.
Because a rampant issue, Abba.
Yeah.
That is why I'm putting it before you. Now I got how to retain your right of residence under the settlement scheme. Now you can't be footing here. Now I just say the right of residence no, and no then and only identity.
So right of residence basically yen fanto yen ordinary layman any.
Okay.
Say retain right of residence. The retain means keep.
Okay.
Or continue. Say me kura adie bi ena me da so ekura mu ana me koso ekura mu. Enti ye wo nkrofo bi wo kromo ha na omo gina nkrofo so won de hye so na wo de ba kromo ha.
Okay.
Enti no omo akwanya se ese wo koso etena kromo ha. Na enti no how to retain that no I will say yes ko krom ada na say me come and has sometimes home office trust kire ye DNTS say otena kromo ha. Then you are going to say I have the right to retain my residence. Okay. Right. So when you look at immigration regulation 2016 now, who and what is meant by retain right of residence.
Okay.
So also it states the immigration regulation 2016 states that certain family members of EU nationals who are already living in the UK can retain their right of residence in the UK if the EU national sponsor dies or leaves the UK or where the parties get divorced. And the young say, "We are EU, any, and Obaname." Okay. Into we are EU in we are EU a national, irrespective of country now. If you meet me about Germany, Italy, and but so far as Romania, so far as we fall within the EU, that's fine. So you classify yourself as EEA or EU national. Okay. And I'm saying Obani meaning no. Me my be dependent. But in the legal term, no my be family member of the EU national. Right? Enti me no net. Me nam also na menya me krata. Say no apa say akwantum asem nti we fi krom ha okọ ana say bi waka wo na echi
bia we free mu okay breed
yes bigina also enti me no ye decide say me ma asetena ne sen kwan a me fa so a me de nya me gina wo so no as I say me kire say I have that right to continue to live here but what the matter and that right no retain right no just say me keep sa away ne so
you be some say me tene kwan me na identity say me down tene when why na dem
that's it that's it because me gina also na waba enti wo ye yi national and I'm so bad me no me ma be family member of ye national
that's the economic area
that's correct enti me gina also na me nya me krata se bibi nti wo tu fi krom ha e bia wo sa ko back me so me pese metna ha se me pese metna ha dia e se me ye application and I'm kire home office I have the right to resident here by retaining my right of residence and the immigration regulation 2016 amount by say certain family members of EU national it can be your wife, it can be your grandmother, it can be your child, it can be your step where so far as they fall within family member of the EU national and those people are already in the country therefore no they can based on this one to get their
all right inti lawyer nanamwa and amini wahe also obetumi join in live 079084433338 25 after 12 na yegusu aidin komo efa kwa betumi afa so retain your right of residence under the settlement scheme enti ebehwe won a qualify for a retained right of residence inti obia I just say would you you qualify to retain your right of residence and no ehun sem ene egusu aye de bu wa na oye Ghanaian kwan ben na obetumi afa so enso nya right of residence in the UK and ehun sem ene edi hu komo yi into why so they qualify to be or to retain right of residence and no enso the second question betumi ebisa na ye koso no betumi nso so afre na bibinia lawyer nanamo of Wiseman Solicitors awmochira kwan e the Print House 18 to 22 Ashling Street Dalston London EH 3DL e 07737572905 077375709 07737572905 and 0208 01653 wisemasolicitors.com. In the Wiseman Solicitors, omichira kwan wo Dalston. We here be bia fan customary law, family law be bia omoye esan so ye migration law be bia ni na lawyer nanamwa ena mene no wahe. Enti lawyer yehwe wanum na qualify for a retained right of residence.
Yes. We still have to go to the Regulation 10 of the Immigration Rules 2016. It also outlines a group of people they qualify for that.
Okay.
A bit me I non nationals are qualify for that. And you know, woman will qualify for that and say when a national die, and the final say, waware. Now kuna waware no, or a national out to Kumuha. Na afe no, who depend on us. Now as I say no, what can in there. And then say egunebo and now we na echi na je say wewu enti wo yo bia ukunu ewu a oye yi national na okumu ha na che say wo one dey the kind no qualify 2, when the EE national leaves the UK, intino wa unukunu na waha, or EE national, if you are free Italy, or not ha, they say no, we fikrum ha, or back,
okay.
Account so what me demonstrate say ampa onikruma okobaka also with me qualify for retain right of residence in a bill no so say when a EU national divorce their spouse or dissolve their civil partnership a bit me about say spouse e bia one na wa ware mu ewa ha nanso enamo aware mu akwantu ni ntino enwa akonya se aware jai eba nti magu aware ye no
okay
nti magu aware no dia obeka se 17 na wo ha e de sa aware na gudi a ene ese okokuru
okay
imra no yiyifo no mra no ebo ho ban se so obetumi a demonstrate se sa aware no now we are and you can make an application and retain right of residence.
Okay.
The Democrat what a bill no say a bia or civil partnership in terms of a bit me about say gay, a bit me about say unmarried partner,
okay,
which is Ghana no yes em branching on and then that they are about you depend on no so a good and we jai or no so if you fall within that category no so or no so no qualify for retain right of residence with me right
okay
a bill no so no say we abofra if you are a child of ye family member
okay
and your spouse is dead or has left the UK and you remain in the education here. The only person much I say, send a medical kind so Obaneme and now ye a national.
Okay.
In a wono, other say with your name and as a sebi, woo in a way jam.
Okay.
And now some year of fun, I said, Mitchell, I say. Me da so ekuskun ewa bof inti menso no metimi agina saa retain right of residence no enso aye me krata e ma menso no benyama setena
ana
ewa ha okay inti no sara enso na woye ebia awofo na owo abofra bit me I say wono unye oware ni na mo no uni yiyu mema no na ayadan awo
no okay
enti abofra no eye yiyi ni ba family member
okay
mo anware na mo so utimi kire say oba no eye family member of yiyi national now you have access to abofrano and I'm saying abofrano ko school in man too you have access to abofrana ono nso no emrano ma ho pan say ubetimi aya application under retain right of residence
okay
na ya ma okrata e ma ono nso watra ha ebiom no nso no e say ebia you have relationship with your family member and that family member as a result of domestic abuse I think said last week lawyer Francis Eka wants domestic abuse now because of that our egu say she no so say domestic abuse is not limited to physical abuse
yeah
we have physical abuse financial abuse psychological abuse
yeah
a lot
yeah
say over financial no kra na uchirechirechi mpa then mmere nyina beko ni nyina no eye domestic abuse
yeah
enti say ebia one ukru ewo fie na atete yemfa nipo say ene enibia ba nti yembo oba oba nso mbo be ma
Okay.
na mo no nyema bi wo ho na emotionally no psychologically no e affect you the way o treat you the way ono e kasafa the way you feel all day respect na de emma e kire say there's some kind of element of domestic abuse as a result say me the mint na ware mu ema mewu
Okay.
because they bia o tia ware na senso fun kwa na wo fun adwendwen bebre ni nyina se obema no etetew
Okay.
ni nyina no se oba no etetew enti pamu otwa no kwadwo fo akwan na me so me fa me kwan enti se ba ne sa na je se domestic abuse abem
Okay.
se sa dia ubetimi so aye application and retain right of residence now so wetimi aye there enya wasitna because ebia asitana ukuno ewumu ubai ebia ncheye
Okay.
the amount pre-settlement as I say o pre-settlement ni ewu now say renew
Bio.
now nya settlement 5 years within 6 months yeah hwenia ukunu eye wofa hwenia oyere eye wofa so obetna sa asitenum akobi 5 years only God knows what will happen the next day.
Okay.
This auntie and this what say not that unexpected next day no then at all.
At all.
So you can approach the legal firms or lawyers to advise you. And as a result of that, you can make application. It doesn't matter say oh will be a 2 months, 6 months, and now 1 year visa or going to. Now, so far as it fall under domestic abuse, and now you meet the right of you meet the retained right of residence. You be more character equivalent to your know your own in this case indefinite. Now what you want?
Okay.
So
All right.
these are the people who are
They qualify.
according to Regulation 10 of the EU Immigration Rule 2016.
Okay.
One qualify for retained right of residence.
Okay.
Right.
Yo, lawyer na namwa ena ye ni din komo no so betumi adjoin yen. Bia na wo how be wo rights of residence and answer how to retain your rights of residence. Wo krum ha. Enti bombodi answer betumi afre wo 0790844 3338 0208-123-6209. Why Smart Solicitors lawyer nanamwa ewa ha ti eno no edi nkomo ozo betumi afre na wo de wadwen chiraba on 0790844338. Mamu fre lawyer no man sisi a mo de mo fre studio na yendi nkomo because ye ka ye hia titru ewo kwa yo betumi retain your rights of residence under the settlement scheme. Ubi a one that qualify ubi or through psychological abuse, financial abuse, and ne just say nyama bebre until you go through sa nyama no so you qualify na then na odibedi dance here so say sa kwan na ebia wo fem nti ye bedi hu enkomo ubetumi afre on 0790844338 0208-123-6209. Enti lawyer nanamwa ewa ha inti enkrato ye ba ne ato aso
Ghana for our ha ya ti dene yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nianom mumiyemfo yi immigration ensem nyina enkodan wo mo why Smart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edronso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa sitnemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia why Smart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Why Smart Solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner
of oath, long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wiseman Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wismart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be who say I fuchinie e bi de bia.
Smart solicitors and Etienne Kratoi. Yeah, the issue on the requirement to me retaining the right of residence. Nana, enyama ben obe here na to me apply the right of residence. Now they retaining the right of residence.
You fan back. Yeah. Inti yen fan say waware. Waware. So we are talking about spouse or
civil partner
or married partner.
Okay.
In Marano requirement in nature say, as I say, you are in relationship and now you have married or you are in a civil partnership. At least in 3 years.
For 3 solid years.
3 years. Na 3 years or more. Na munyina mowaha for at least 1 year during that period. Enti yenhye no so say enye tama yede ukrata na mawo. Most of the times no so na say minsa kan bia 1 year ni 2 years ni. Enti enso yehwe tama mo ware se mu ya ware fo no mo ware na ma ware no enya 3 years na afi enso no opa kumu ha no wonu kunu na tena for 1 year
okay
o qualify to meet that requirement.
Okay,
right, o qualify to meet that requirement and make application and retain right of residence. Ebio say ebia you have a custody of your ex-partner's child. Say yamfa sa ware no man ware eba na ebem
okay
inti abofra no e wo nchen wo na wo hwa abofra no so wo ye aware ni na sa situation wo mu a ono so you meet the requirement.
Okay.
Ina emfa so say if you have experienced domestic violence and the same thing you
like
abuse or also during your relationship also you meet the requirements.
Okay.
And now say you have a right to access to the child of EU national.
Okay.
And the child is under 18 years. And you know, also we are worrying no more aware no more worry. Now so no normally we bet me a follow for Obama.
Okay.
Inti if you Obama no one worry. Now so now na no ba. Inti no you have access to the child a bar a juma sem a bar school which may have a
hello.
Yeah, Kobo.
That's what you
Yeah, lawyer mo mi fa cho me sha Yakupon shop ani chichirebu.
Yo, na say if you are
Lawyer. We ya pa. Me so me ware oba bi mi share oba bi wo hanam ofi Holland. Ana me ne ware 1 year pepepe. Ana oba ne si ontimi ni interview. No osesa ne no ma edin crash to Holland. Ndi o ma find definite man timi ni na mu anti anu no. Oba na kwata Holland na abra wonya adwuma metimi jaje me krata. Ana 2 sa psychology abuse no ahono betima chechom kakra de to so miensa sa domestic abuse no ye hwehwe mu no obani ko twa ntro say me sori a me bu no ono no sori a ponchi me osoma me o sa me pesi na we sika nya otimi diska ni na enti ye ko hwem say obani boa eno so obano ye be ni because ekwomofo ma ne e di samra ni bia hwom sem say so ko twa ntro say ni kunu ye bu na ne ama indefinite abro kuta 2.5 enti wo mu nyina court o mu say oh be ma ne bu me na 2.5 no de on twa 10 years ni bi no de ko indefinite e pa twa ma sem ye mi nsa fe nya mi shop a
yo
that's it
na say so dey okay and I ain't you
yo na say me hwe dey a honhon beboa na betimi yi questions no me nsa ni na ano dey di kan no na say ma yeti ase say wa wale Holland ni for 1 year ma me no so on tena ware na se on into oko enti ni say no kwan men so no be fa so obenya ne krata na emra na kire say ese say u kire say wa ware for 3 years for 3 years a onu kunu no atena kumu ha 1 year
okay
enti in this case no 1 year na was ma ware na dey na kire say we assume say sa 1 year na ma atena kumu ha na anu dey do
okay
na mo no ma ware na nya 3 years
nya 3 years okay
sa ware na nya 3 years ye na say uni hana now the only option is other say you fall within the second option which I'm going to give say you have to demonstrate say o aware mu no ba no say no wadwane oko. So in this case we are not going to talk about divorce.
Okay.
No more the wife has left you. And your wife is at large. Maybe or into which me I application and retain right of residence. Now they any our crata.
Okay.
Say so until it's idea. So okono wo de tena wo baby sunsun ho sa akopem tamama 1 year no. Official and ebenya 3 years.
Okay.
Ono nso betumi agina so na wakogunu. Wo gina so no kogunu a betumi aye. So two options for you. Either you go by the second option say we dwane.
Okay.
Unu be bi owo.
Okay.
Nti say won kwa na wo akwantum sisi wo UK ha. Ono betumi aye. Ana say obetwen na wasan spend extra 2 years. So na be ya aware na mo ware na ebenya 3 years.
Okay.
Now we meet that requirement. Say one and no ba. You know okoya. We betimi so use so abofra no so na betimi aye. Enti there's a lot of options there.
Yeah, okay.
But ni nyina no open any of the lawyers now. They will be able to help you. Okay. Now the second question is talking about psychological abuse. Psychological abuse no emudo ye
broad
emudo papa ebetimi ama me man fa ton say de bia no ukoba nyina ukun otetel ofa ha na hotel ofa ha na he na ukohe ina he say ye
that's so point
yeah phone crowd ha no say ina de bia accuse you on necessary enti woda ho na onwinwin say how we cry aware be na woman no ateto we yakwa meja ho me no beko we yakwa me yo say we yakwa no go we ya me yo say we say enti ade piara edi ehwu mu e wa aware mu e ma onwinwin e ma enya nsunsuanso a ofoye fe na ma wo so te we dua di kura no na yeti say Job o se nkosu ya kura no yen de because asetena owomunity okay e ba na sa na we classify as psychological abuse because akọ adwen no
Etito.
There are a lot of things for analyze.
Okay.
And I you ni
eguso.
Ebi wo kwa so your ba. And I your fair now. O your be ma. Eduan oma weduan di. Otete wo. Eduan ba wa ye bia. Obe your fair no come de wa say wonya eduan edi. And I say o your ba unu eduan na ukunu de ne sa so gbo mu anu asore. Ono nka nche se bia ne yede ono so nka nche so di no ye ni na ya ye fe ne psychologically you have effect do better na mako does market akope and nam pay bi pumu nam bi and say na whether ye unity na ma ye kantokonto na me da ma meku na oto wa no hwe dua no asore ni nyina ya say o abuse you
okay
so it can also fall under psychological abuse now or can be into to say physical abuse ne yere ne ebo no so o yere so ebo wa is also fall under domestic abuse. And I say or can be I also see element of financial abuse so or money sika or the sika so man na your friend and kakre bi not it can be no usika no no take control and he say onye sika kwa so koto bibi kura po na wasisa ni tare mu kakra na ye problem na ye ni nyina so psychological physical financial abuse if you want also wo kura look me na no fa ba onu ka me bo wo ho editua saka no ubetua saka nti every next month ko no ubusu market we bia no te 500 na fatua me bo ka bo say 10,000 some do buy financial abuse so you can have a way through that then I make can say those kind of domestic abuse those but irrespective of any of them now way for we can advise you say way for and this way for and this way for and then we take it and among say want me into one among now one report in idea don't forget say normally police phone they don't do much about those kind of things
civil matters
civil matters so they refer you to social workers and DP and so called DP now my one say last month we weigh about 60 kilos not this month who are perform 45 DP best I was swatting you should be able to explain to tell the DP say nyama me komuni like I said, the DP will document
emotional stress
that's it. So the DP will document it. Now you are building a report to substantiate. Say indeed domestic abuse has taken place. The ones are when now you go through. Lawyer. Now lawyer Mr. we are. And that is another question.
No. All right. You over 10 minutes here. Diversity kakana the issue on board now the health workers are among for are going through a lot of stress. I think like what we are saying now there's emotional stress that has also engulfed in this situation. There's been people who are they don't even have where to live. They can live with people, but for how long? Is there any way says Uncle Funa Edoma Bana Omunye Jumanyano? Because they have their profession, but because nipa no don't buy like a provider no, and I say sponsor no, anka no crunch omunti. Omo ho beka edwamu wo UK abonten so. And then I beka found na.
In fact, it is a very sad issue. Issue eba tembia eba, but. Ye this year no ye man ye yere no estatia omonka
omo di shop
omonka e she wo last minute
no mo
asno aka e sa na ye
too late yeah
me ma 3 example
sure
me client ba ko oba e no ye mo sheda management for 8 years 8 months ye management oni mo ho offer us you know ba menu nam so well you have to live and survive as well and the only thing say omo ma we duma dia switch it per ebi also my nam so well if you give me the authority to act on you I'll write to them and make a complaint and also and then go ahead na yam say onene ma me na e ba Intemra media advance next week nombra when odu fia pe and also friend say na me pa chop ni am kan no twa so why na me buy no agency na me born amane no ade a ode aye me also ma hwe ni obema wabobo mako ode hu ewura client say one thing to pam don't say 8 months na onye duma na you feel so much ekwa what me report say na be ya why we jama me minimum how I mean one diplomatically
okay
me no one be delay say na be ma we duma o say da bi antepe na ne ma me so friends so pam cho na pressure say ekọ won so no anu ye tin nti ye de nja me nja ni nyina nka wa hu enam ya santwa so ena Kumasefo abakose mu asantimem what do you want
okay
you call for only one person to turn things around so 1 year things will you feel go on as it's supposed not to be that is one example. Second example also almost similar thing one man dey juma no one year all of a sudden ya or say employer now we need kwan ben so no fa so gini
yeah
e kire se what is say ye fe no oyani what is oyani won na dan na what is say and intin we need
unnecessary
in our bad chain I look at the situation as no this is unfair dismissal into ma me akunya bitu ho na mo afi na employer no e hide nioma since afi chi no me a mayor legal rep na me di wani to solve the issue employer am bomodin convincing no say on choro let say or draw case no na on na be so to yes na obema na ejuma
who say we baba me
only say me baby because employer na can help kasa of something no I'm not doing that because this is unfair dismissal.
That's right.
So no matter me my fault
there could be a compensation for that.
There should be me my 14 days say with me because some say random employment law say before you can take claim for unfair dismissal you must be in the working place for 2 years.
For 2 years, yes.
And most of them they don't have 2 years. And the employers say no matter what won't me fan but we also have a way of dealing with that. And to me put into the wall. There's a saying saying to me my 14 days. You know all contact say client and no in be influential people you know will have a meeting with them my knowledge.
Client now can't show.
One can't me. You know or convince client na last client me buy can say employer so money man just say or draw case na me at anything.
You know just know what employer need.
That's it.
Quite ordinary fashion. The trauma he went through.
Yes.
Okay.
And you know in this case no I just say or draw. And you know waka chance of money duma and you know or draw no on eduma.
I was asking you to withdraw.
One draw or draw letter. I'm trying to catch on draw letter to confirm that. And or draw letter no. And I don't come my employer before coming to tell me.
But letter not draw and consult too.
And I'm saying before coming to tell me.
Okay.
And I'm saying no, you can't do this. Not that I'm handling the issue. Let me handle to the fullness.
Yeah.
Because employer didn't say no, you're wrong.
You're wrong.
Or no delay there. And what is the guarantee? Say
or throw away or say Fabra now.
Indeed. And my client client no enko pay duma onko pay dan wo outside land and e ho no dey ade no ko am woni ni kun nyina ko pay dan
no yoba
woni ni kun nyina ko pay dan e no mo pay abo mo so mo ko induction training the next day Brian say is there no manual hand and no ABR if there is any issue regarding to pregnancy and as we not just say you who say na be ha no be say na so mafa ye fun just 1 month be the next day no prayer I say we need because you're supposed not to be pregnant whilst at work you say remember na cast and we need after ba no say I can't do anything because prayer attract emma what church salad na edan ho say no we are some living home in our name home they are so there's nothing I can do. These are the things.
Okay.
The last one and so yeah say your friend on or say student in a we nti ni dependent no say na nyama no so switch ko health and care.
Okay.
Nti no manafe wo si west no so on or your friend no renew ni dia or see that. Ina asem ekoba wo sa employer no ho in a home office revoke the license.
Okay.
The home office revoking the license. And in this case, no, acquire way. Or chance me, sir. Answer no be reference so omra. Na yen hwe kwan kwa befa so.
Yeah.
Nto ba me hwe answer. Na de na why ye inform so sir. Ne we ne ewu for 3 months.
But no ni
Oni ba do kwan kwa fa so.
Over fast okay. O ma ewi.
O ma ne wi because no dey bobo.
Okay.
Of ha se ni esno ye were lawyers bebre. We say Ghana, adba ko mani je Ghana fun say. Ye nya ye lawyers. Ye nya ye doctors. Into yare ti fa obanya 20,000 doctors. Be ma medication see ya. Advice in the doctors. Into afa we into this ansana or your settings. So no, I have to approach legal practitioner.
But initial na the panel is okay just a lawyer.
That's it.
Na etuncha.
And talk by making answer, I'm so well. Let's see what we do. But let me tell you, 50-50. Because I know manager say you have 14 days and you have to demonstrate 14 days now. So let's see how it goes. Now, me try near my
because you have to convince.
Oh yes, me didn't near market cane. Now, in fact, academy. They say yes, so butter kakra, cool fresh. What did they make? Yeah. Near my fine, a man. And I don't make it too. I thought said there would be an issue. They didn't even call for any document analysis, but Nesaka, yeah. What I say, yeah. That is inner reward or no? And 2nd April, no. Nyamedi mami, April year, 2nd April year. Nyamedi mami, I said, present birthday gift.
Oh,
okay. That's the first way about
okay. And it is 2nd day of birthday.
Yeah, the birthday.
Oh, okay, that's how we used to buy.
God gave me that present.
Oh, so it is coincidental.
Oh, I told God to give me a present gift.
Okay, so good.
Because client now is so down.
Only
Meanwhile,
we use discretionary ideas.
Exceptional circumstances.
That's now we use
before and second.
Okay.
Or your next. Wako NHS. Omo man offer no mo say anti say we renew ni BRP. BRP is you. Mo so go renew.
Go renew say ade ewu abesi dey renew. Ko ade na ewu na wo koye.
Na ye problem.
Okay. Oyoba.
Bad ba kwa me.
But say onya the litany of these cases pa.
Say that is the issue of the day.
Okay. And the bone of contention is there.
Yeah. Because bebre activity one. Bebre up to now.
That is why I asked you to just talk about it because I know say people are worried about it.
Yeah. Bebre but again, so say sometimes maybe now you cancel. Wow. If you are near cancel, you're fair away. If you so buy it, that was only yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Now the situation is ni employer no. I report to my home office or bad or majuma. Which wasn't true.
Okay.
And the maybe say, is it true, sir? Was it? Ejuma hoko oni mu ho. Wa fra one so mu ni ejuma mu ye we. Na employer no we can I report to Amane say almost 1 year no ba na onye adwuma nti ya ruvoku ne license nam so no e de mami to me na me ate on your behalf na me tron home office say it is never true then I tell say wa ma na adwuma na omba
okay
na ye hu ne e also
okay
also we dey train na me kwa ba ono anu so sometimes it depends on the individual how the individual take the issue as a stake
okay
baby a yefi no enantete ya nyamede wode nyamesuro wura emu nti se nyamesuro no ewo yemu
okay
nti se obi di wa aborokra na usuro se we take
that decision yeah
meanwhile you should not allow your leniency
to be your weakness.
That's
it. Weakened point.
Somebody take your leniency as an advantage.
Okay.
Because what bad ninja na waba.
Okay.
And I say we try to also say. this is deformation of character.
Yeah, sure.
What I also said, you're very almost 1 year, you buy me once or more single job.
Okay.
And I want to want a home of you, so I'm 20 a year and 60 days.
Okay.
So once you share by dear woman, my interview, and I want to also say, what dear, send a or change the assent or change the assent. So these are the issues our clients and our share in your manner health and care particularly they face. Okay. But if they can be bold and courageous, as God told Joshua, and they come forward now, we can help them.
All right.
Say employer no, you revoke employer license. It's not your fault.
It's not your fault.
If you respect what your friend 60 days home office we can challenge that.
All right, Nana, the time national Van Dyke Aba, Mr. Van Dyke, and so better was there be interview, special interview, and Mr. Van Dyke be into Bekaya of 24 the second, the 25th anniversary, and there Mr. Van Dyke ni Penyimba Kwa, no so a dan obedim komo, e wo fidie mu ha, inti nyawaso na tea after a programming commercials ne bape, na just say wonim say Mr. Van Dyke so be take mantle no na we di asante. Otumfo said to two and Asante Kotoko. A membrane for the past 25 years of Betna Suno. A bako semben or Otumfo, and so Eja, any legacy Otumfo Eja, and the Yama Bibri Otumfo, a work out Otumfo Foundation is so many things. Otumfo, as I'm speaking to you now, he's also working tirelessly to make sure that all the hospitals in Kumasi and Barons in Nano will be very effective and functioning. Into ono so boa say kwan be ye nti nyama bebre e na otumfo ebe ye ne Van Dyke so be ka ho nsem ewie nti ye mamu na ha nana era ase bebre be san hia